Study the habits of the wealthy, and here are 3 things I found out. Hi, everybody. My name is Jennifer, the Savvy Money Girl. Welcome to my page. Over here, we talk about money, building wealth, investing, and basically how to live your best life. Now, I studied 3 habits of top income earners, women, right, in my field, and this is what I realized. Number one lesson is they are not afraid or shy. They do not speak in the background. They do not care what anybody thinks about them. They literally live up to their potential. They live to their true self. If they say they're going to do something, they're going to do it regardless of what people think. And by doing so, people begin to adjust. People begin to see that version of themselves as reality, and people begin to actually understand them, right? And by doing so, they're able to make more money because they are living in their true self, their true nature. They are not pretending to be what they are not. They have this confident spirit, because guess what, when you're confident and you can articulate yourself, you could literally sell a lie to someone and they're gonna believe you because of how confident you were when selling that lie. So number one thing the high earners have is that they are not shy. They're very confident. They're very outspoken. They do not care whether you believe them, because they believe that they have their own target audience, and their target audience is gonna meet them wherever they are. Number two is they upskill, they learn every day. So this is very important, because I always say that you want to have basic knowledge of multiple topics. You want to be able to hold a conversation. You want to be able to go to a room and participate eloquently in a conversation, like have an idea of what people are saying. You literally want to upskill and learn. AI is trending. Go and learn about AI. You don't have to go in depth. You can just learn the basics of AI. You can learn the basics of digital marketing. You can learn the basics of investing. You can learn the basics of how to create digital products to sell and make money. This is how the rich women are actually making money online. Finally, and number 3 is they actually have a plan for their money. They've made so much money online, social media, digital products, coaching and all, and they go ahead to invest this money in real estate. Like, these women are making banks. They're investing in real estate. They're investing in concierge businesses. They're investing in Airbnbs. They're investing in properties. They're investing in the stock market, so they are preserving the money that they've made. They have now gotten to a point where they've made so much money and they've deployed that money into various assets that can make them even more money. And the amazing part is they don't even have to lift a finger anymore, because it is passive income. Because you've gotten to the point where your money is now making money for you. The systems are now making money for them. And these are the ways that they've been able to live in their element and make so much money to thrive. If you want to be rich and build wealth, you literally want to be confident. You want to get knowledge, acquire knowledge, upskill yourself, be confident, and most importantly, you want to preserve and multiply the money that you've made. These are the ways to build sustainable wealth as a woman.